To your service apartment. This is your security. First thing, thumbprint. Or you can have a code. And you put your card. Then you're recorded. You are the right person to go inside. Okay, inside. Then you're allowed to come inside. Okay, come in. And this is the best material we are using, all top end market. It's called Marco Polo. It's a brand Marco Polo. And we have a French from France. This suction from France, which is for the kitchen, and very high power. Okay, so at the moment it's a 2-bedroom home. Okay, there's a 2 stove, but because of demo, we just do one to show the sample. And this is a collar. The brand is collar. It's very well known in overseas. Everybody knows it. And every cupboard it comes with a aerodynamic, it closes by itself. If there's no, you don't have to push it, it closes by itself. Those who buy this service apartment, in the payment, they make a payment, which they make a fully payment. What you see is what you get. You got a fridge, you got your stove, you got your couch, you got your laundry. It's same as the one, Marco Polo brand. And this is your dryer and washing machine in one unit. Same as well, all the brand is Marco Polo, sorry, collar. It's all come together. These are only demo homes, eh? Okay, from here you can see that the same thing. All the cabinet is all aerodynamic. It closes by itself. And same as this bathroom, toilet. Every room there's a toilet and shower. Yeah, we have a special glass for that, and you won't get vapor. And non-slip marble floor, which is when you wash up, when you bath all the time, the water will drain by itself on the side. We will start selling open from 6th of October, and we will probably also leasing out all the property same time too. Apartment. Every apartment we sell with a smart apartment gadget. And one of the managing director's son, here, he'll show you the smartphone, how to operate. And we can off it. Let me see, we can open the drips. Open the drips, it will open by himself. And you can be controlled when you're on a bed too. You on it, that's how you go, on it, yeah. You open by himself. This is studio, is only 40 square meter, for studio, for a hotel, this is the size. But the studio we're selling is about 60 square meter, which means a bit longer, much longer. Okay, so, and you have a view from every 12th floor onward, from 30th floor, you got a sea view. 360 degrees sea view. We have more than 8 to 10%. Secondly, capital investment, you're gonna get 15 to 20% per year. And because our price is so cheap, so it appreciates faster. So we guarantee as a company of the WG Real Estate International, they guarantee you get a good return, minimum 8 to 10%. So first, the location is a landmark, and also commercial strata freehold. You never go wrong, because why? The main attraction is all overseas people. They will buy commercial strata freehold and service apartment because it's a long term. They can only allow to buy. They cannot buy land freehold these days. This is the only property they can buy. When they buy commercial strata